Hey guys, welcome back to day 5 of the 7-day weight loss diet plan series. If you're new here, please check the previous videos on this diet plan series before starting on this plan. Links will be updated in the description box below the video. This diet plan for 7 days will help you to lose weight and change your lifestyle, give you more ideas on how to prepare home cooked healthy food with easily available and inexpensive ingredients. So challenge yourself and start this refined sugar-free diet plan, and after 7 days you will feel much lighter, have less bloating, and you will also have a clear and glowing skin. The oil I'm using in the recipes are unrefined coconut oil and desi ghee, which is also known as clarified butter. Include 30 to 40 minutes of exercise and stock up some fresh fruits as you will be snacking on them. So let's get started with the day 5 of the diet plan series. Start your day with cinnamon tea. Cinnamon helps to burn stomach fat and also helps to boost your metabolism. I have already shared cinnamon tea recipe. Links will be updated in the description box below. After 30 minutes, have your breakfast. For breakfast, I'm serving Moringa Uttapam. You may be hearing about Moringa Uttapam for the first time, and I'm sure you won't find innovative recipes like this anywhere on the internet. Moringa is one superfood which you should include in your diet. Here in Kerala, garden fresh Moringa leaves are easily available all through the year round. Moringa is great for everyone, especially for women. It's high in vitamin A, C, E and B vitamins. Moringa is a good source of vitamin B1, B2 and B3 more than any other plant source. Moringa helps to balance hormones. It's rich in calcium, potassium, protein and iron. Including Moringa in your diet is like having a daily dose of multivitamin from the nature. I have already shared many videos on the health benefits of Moringa. Please check the links below to understand more. To make Moringa Uttapam, I'm using a sprig of fresh Moringa leaves. Now, if you don't have fresh Moringa leaves, you can use Moringa powder instead. Half green chili finely chopped, 1/4 of an onion chopped, and keep this aside. Heat an iron dosha tawa, and once the dosha tawa is heated, lightly grease it with sesame seed oil and then put the flame to the lowest. Pour in 1.5 to 2 ladleful of the dosha batter and spread it out to a slightly thick dosha. Sprinkle in fresh Moringa leaves. You don't have to chop the leaves, and using the tender stems are also okay. Sprinkle in green chili and the chopped onion. For healthy fats and to help all the vitamins in the Moringa leaves absorb faster into your body, drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee. The healthy fats in ghee also helps to absorb vitamins like A, K, E and D. Plus it also helps to bring down the glycemic index of the dosha. The ghee sort of balance all the nutritional requirements. I have already shared how to make desi ghee at home, its health benefits and how ghee helps to burn fat. Links will be updated below this video. The dosha batter I'm using is made from whole grains, and I've also shared how to make healthy dosha batter at home. Links will be updated below the video. Now cover the uttapam with the lid and allow it to cook on low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes, and once it is cooked, transfer the uttapam to a plate and serve with coconut chutney. The ghee will help to control your sugar cravings, keeps you feel fuller for a longer time, and along with weight loss, your digestion improves, your skin will become clearer and glowing. Serve the uttapam with coconut chutney and breakfast is ready. Remember to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. You can have my infused water or Kerala's herbal pink water, which is antioxidant rich, and the links will be updated in the description box below. As a mid-morning snack, have pomegranate seeds or any seasonal fruit of your choice. The dietary fiber in pomegranate helps in digestion, helps to balance cholesterol levels. It is rich in iron and hence an excellent fruit to consume when on a weight loss journey. For lunch, have 2 oats roti with a katori of homemade curd and homemade pickle. Here I am serving homemade amla pickle. You can use any homemade pickle of your choice. Homemade pickle, also known as achar, is a good source of probiotics. This filling weight loss roti is made with sweet potatoes and oats. Sweet potatoes are right now in season, and it's a healthy carb and has lower glycemic index than ordinary potatoes. The high fiber in sweet potatoes helps to make you feel fuller. They are also one of the best source of vitamin A. I have already shared oats roti recipe. The links will be updated in the description box below. Some of you asked for suggestions to curb sugar cravings, and for that you can make a mix with ghee and jaggery and keep it aside. Just mix equal quantity of ghee and jaggery, that is, for example, mix 2 tablespoon ghee and 2 tablespoon grated jaggery, mix well and keep aside. You can store it in an airtight glass container. After lunch and dinner, have 1 teaspoon of this mix. It will help to curb your sugar cravings and also gives you more energy. As an evening snack, have a small katori of roasted makhanas or murmura chivida. Now, if you have the habit of having milk tea or coffee, you can have milk tea or coffee but without sugar. And if you badly need some sweetness in your milk tea, you can add in little jaggery, but no refined sugar. It's highly recommended that you have dinner by at least 7 p.m. since we had a filling breakfast and lunch with healthy fats. For dinner, I'm serving a bowl of warm tomato soup. Along with it, have a bowl of seasonal fruits of the place you live in. I'm serving ripe papaya, pineapple and pomegranate seeds. However, you can have any assorted fruits of your choice. Now, if you feel hungry or feel a dip in your energy levels, then you can have any of these energy balls or energy bites, but try to limit to 2. And yes, you can have these energy bites or laddus any time of the day. Links will be updated in the description box below the video. A good night's sleep is an important part of this diet plan, and you need to sleep by at least 10:30. And as a bedtime drink, have my ginger water. You can prepare this and keep by around 9:30-10 p.m. and have it before you sleep. This amazing fat burning drink will boost your metabolism while you sleep. So guys, do try this full day diet plan series and let me know the results.